what we need to do is these little cutouts here, the cylinder head, those need some silicone to help seal the cylinder head gasket. Well, one of them is behind here. So yeah, right there is one, right here is the other. So we're just going to put a thin bead of RTV here. You can always wipe off the excess. Now we're going to take the cylinder head cover, which I've thrown a new gasket in here. It only goes one way. These are the little pieces that need the silicone to help seal. So I'm going to make sure that's all in place. Here's the tricky part, sneaking it past. Oh, there it goes. This is the problem, is that falls out, and you do need it in. You do need it in the cover side because of this little tray first. So just be patient. It might take a while, but then once you get your gasket to stay in, go ahead and slap that cover on. And with editing magic, here it is. Once you've got it on, you take these two bolts, drop them in, and they get torqued down to 10 Newton meters, which is in a different measurement, 7 pound-feet. Alright, at this time, this is all the major components for the big bore kit installed. A word of warning, and I'm being brutally honest because I don't want anybody to go out and buy one of these kits and get themselves in trouble. It's a lot of very technical, detailed work. If you've never torn into an engine before, don't try with this. Go buy an old junk lawnmower and play around with that and learn about engines before you try something like this. For most people, it's a lot safer bet to save up some extra cash and have a shop do this for you. But if you're very confident in your abilities, you know, grab a factory service manual like I have, obviously, and go at it. You know, those factory service manuals are great. They have step-by-step instructions, torque specs, everything. So, plans for upcoming videos. The next one is probably going to be a little while, a few more days than usual, because I need to get all the little parts put back on this thing, wire harness plugged in, fluids topped off, that sort of thing. So, let's plan on the next video, this bike running. After that, I'll put up some videos of like how to fill it with coolant and not get air pockets and have it overheat, and how you know you got the correct amount of oil in it, that sort of thing. But yeah, for now, I'm just gonna stop recording video because it'd be a tedious waste of your time and mine for me to show putting all this little stuff back together. One, if you're doing this project on your own, you should be able to do that. And two, just look at the videos I took in the past with disassembling it. You'll probably see how everything was before it came apart. Just put it back together that way. So yeah, again, thanks for following along, and let's hope at least the next video is this thing running.